Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna shoot a beginner's makeup kit. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So the first thing in makeup is to moisturize your face. Like you have to prep your base first. So for moisturizers, first moisturizer I'm gonna tell you all is to buy the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This moisturizer is very good for oily skin type and dry skin type too. So yeah, I will recommend this moisturizer for beginners. The next moisturizer I'm gonna recommend you guys is the All Smiles Body Butter Moisturizer. This moisturizer is also good for oily skin type and also dry skin type. So you can go for this moisturizer. All the links for the products will be mentioned in the description box. So have a look there also. The next thing is to apply the primer. So obviously you might have seen in mostly all my videos that I have applied this primer only, the Inside Primer. This is the best primer I have used up till now, and this was my first primer. I haven't changed it. Like I haven't bought any new primers for my face. I have always been using this primer only, and it is really very cheap. I think it is for 200 or something. The next primer I'm gonna tell you all is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is the primer with the same size. As you can see, the size of this Inside Primer. So I will put up the links in the description so you can check that out. It is quite expensive than the Inside Primer. So you can choose between any one. You can choose any one of those. But I would recommend you all that if you are a beginner, then you should, you can even apply aloe vera gel as your primer. You don't have to invest so much money in your primers. So yeah. The next thing is the foundation. So for foundation, the number one foundation for me will be the Fit Me foundation. Let me show you. I have these two foundations from Fit Me, and obviously they don't give full coverage because these are not the full coverage one, but there are also full coverage foundations, and it has so much quantity, and the price is like 300-400 in Nykaa. So you can invest for such good foundations. And obviously if you are having any problem, you are facing any issue regarding the shade, then you can look out for it. I will recommend you all to buy your first foundation from any drugstore, because then only you can get a perfect shade for yourself, and then you can order online as soon as you get your perfect shade. So first shade always you have to buy it from a drugstore. One more foundation I know is the LA Girl Pro foundation. So but that is very costly, it costs like 1,000 or something, but it has full coverage and it is a very nice foundation, so you can go for that. But as a beginner, I will prefer you guys to only buy a Fit Me foundation. It is the best, and it has so many skin tones, so you don't have to worry about that. So that is the best part about the Fit Me foundation. The next thing is the compact powder. So the first compact powder I am gonna recommend you guys is the Fit Me Maybelline New York Fit Me Compact SPF 28. So this compact powder is the best compact powder I can recommend you all. So yeah, and it is also so cheap with such a great quantity. The powder quantity is so much. So it costs 200 rupees only. So I would recommend you all to buy the Fit Me compact powder as a beginner. Even though I have been using the exposed powder, but still I would recommend you all to use the Fit Me compact powder. Now for the mascara, my only two favorites mascara, Lash Sensational Mascara and the Hyper Curl Mascara. So between these two, I am gonna choose the Hyper Curl Mascara, because it gives so much volume in just one stroke. You might have seen in my previous videos also that I have praised this mascara so much, and it is a bit cheaper than this mascara and does a great job than this one. So I use it like I apply this, and sometimes I don't even need a substitute to, I don't even need this mascara to overlap the first one. Like, it does all the job. So I would recommend you all to buy any of these. Both are really good, but if you need like the best one, so I will recommend this one. And yeah, I have been using this liner like since forever, so I would recommend you all to buy this liner only. The Insight eyeliner has also come out, so I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, maybe that one is also nice because I have seen the reviews and ratings regarding it. So yeah, that one is also nice. And but the absolute favorite one is the Lakme liner. It has so many shades: green, golden, blue, black. Black is so the best one. So yeah. For eyebrows, I don't do much for my eyebrows. I just apply the eyebrow powder sometimes or just brush them. That's all. So I haven't used any eyebrow products yet except for that powder thing. So I can't really recommend you guys about anything. But there are many eyebrow pencils out there, like very nice one with that tool also for brushing and all. So you can. And the last thing is the eyeshadow palette. So for eyeshadow palette, I have been using the James Charles palette. It is quite expensive, so I won't ask you all to buy that one. Even if you want to, you can invest in that eyeshadow palette because it has so many colors and you can create brilliant look with that palette. So you can invest. I am totally telling you that you can, as a beginner, buy that palette because it has all the colors and you can like start afresh with that palette also. And if you are looking for some cheaper palette, then Swiss Beauty has amazing eyeshadow palette collection. They have even small palette like minis with nude shades, with colorful shades and all. You can check it out. It is for some 200 something, so you can buy that. Or else they also have a big palette type, so that is also for 500, 600 something. So you can invest in that eyeshadow palette. Like in eyeshadow palette, you can invest more than 500 if it is a nice palette, so that it can be used for a long term. So that was it for today, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.